I like steel buildings. Before I'd started this, I'd been in the steel industry on the other side, detailer, designer, estimator.
It was kind of a natural fit for us. We had enough clientele that were wanting steel buildings.
I've done steel erection for most of my life, building different buildings and then also structures out of steel. So it was pretty common for me to want to go towards building a metal building.
It just gave us room to do all those things. And I love doing steel because it's a good start, it's a good foundation.
After you start building them, it gets easier and easier, so I didn't want to switch to any other company.
It's about the third or fourth building I've bought from Great Western, so I mean it's a no-brainer to go ahead and buy from those guys. So pretty amazing to step back and look back or look at what you've built in front of your eyes and actually see what you've accomplished in such a short time. So
all in all, it took about a month and a half from planning to digging to forming and pouring. And then we waited an extra month for the concrete to cure enough to make sure we didn't have any major stress fractures.
I've got one son and I've got a nephew that's working for me right now. So just the three of us put this building together. We had the structure up in about 20 days, about 3 weeks, 21 days.
With buildings, we're on site anywhere from 3 days to 3 months on a project. And at the end of the 3 days, the week, the month, we get to see a finished product. We get to go, yeah, we did that. That is our work. That's our blood, sweat, and tears, and we finished that.
So what is this? 4 at my shop. This one, I built another one, so that would be 6, and then I just ordered my 7th building.
They're basically everything I have in the pipeline is this size. Everybody wants this size. Our biggest sellers are 40 by 50, 50 by 50, 40 by 60, so around that 2,500 square foot build. So we have probably around 6 in the pipeline right now for those sizes.
We got school districts that we kind of work with, and we've private homeowners that we work with, ranchers that we work with, and so it's nice to get to know the people in your community. And these are big projects. There's a 75,000 square footer we're looking at. We'll be out there for quite some time doing this.
I am a general contractor here in Oregon. We do start to finish, from the excavation, all the concrete work, steel erection, and putting the skin on the building. We do it all.
We are a steel building sales and full turnkey construction company.
We've definitely done almost every building out there and every manufacturer, but we stick probably 80% primarily to Great Western buildings.